Alright, so people, I cannot hard Boxfoot believe that Nicki Minaj and Cardi B got into a fight. Boy, I never in my life I thought I would have seen something like this possible. But anyway, let me just get down into the story. So as you might have known, Nicki Minaj and Cardi B have been beefing for quite a while now, a couple of months now. You know, Nicki Minaj throw like a subliminal, she throw like a shade here and there. The other day she did it on Queen Radio, and when she went over to this interview, she did throw like a bunch of shade all over the place. And as you know, Cardi B kind of in her little low-key way kind of make it known that things which she had make Nicki Minaj not 100% cool. And so, you know, say a fashion week are going, and so, you know, Nicki Minaj show her different looks them over the week. Cardi B show her different looks them. And on this particular night, this particular event, both of them have showed up to the Harper's Bazaar Icon Party. Yes, people, and the middle of the people, them good, nice, decent party where people in them long gown and frock and all of these things. Cardi B, you know, apparently she hear some little stuff through the grapevine that Nicki Minaj was throwing some shade as it relates to her and stop our money, you know, back from being secure and all kind of things. And apparently Nicki must have said something about her daughter, which is culture. And Cardi B never did that, take that a Boxfoot. So Cardi B just went up into the party. She said Nicki Minaj and said, alright, I'm going to step to her and talk to her about all of what I want. And during the whole confrontation, look like say tempers get flared, people just get hot, cross and hungry and miserable. And Nicki Minaj wasn't having it. And then same time Cardi temper reach up here so. So then Nicki Minaj like a backup security aka friend when named Ra Ali jump in at the middle of the fight now, the argument, and decides to show a rep for Nicki Minaj, and this is when the whole of this take place. So in the middle of all of this, Cardi B now start fear cause she go take off her shoes, and as you know Cardi B is about that life cause you know she just sing about that yellow.
Hello, these expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes.
And during the whole of this, I don't know when Nicki Minaj did that the whole of the chaos look like so Nicki Minaj have her own bouncers, they will escort her out of the whole drama because fear think they're on another level and Nicki cannot hardly be caught into a fight.
They say my shoe came crazy, the mental asylum looking for me. You a rookie to me, I'm in that wham bam, verbal lamb, damn it, been a band.
And when all was said and done, the embarrassing thing about it is that Cardi B ended up being escorted from the venue, from the premises, and she have to come out of the place with her 1 foot of shoes and one big rotted everlasting guava nut coconut pan her yai top, like the side of her fight. Boy, yo boy, I mean, like that wasn't a good look at all. Cardi, let me just say, me know how Nicki Minaj stay. Me understand Nicki Minaj is queen, she have her it's them, but Nicki, you shady bad. You're shady bad, and I do not put it past you from doing things behind the scenes that could get somebody aggravated. Because you know who Nicki Minaj coming like? She come like them people the way, you know, they will just say a little thing under the quiet because them know so them can get a reaction out of you. And then when you flare up now and go on crazy, them be like, keep your voice down. Why are you getting crazy? I mean, behave. I'm just being so calm. No, Somebody like a Cardi B, the ghetto princess, the good girl, she bring the streets to anywhere she did. I understand like yeah, Cardi. You come from the streets, but sometimes I cannot keep it too real. You should have wait until when the event done. If I me like you, you'll hear what you do. You have to learn how to fake it in the industry. Learn from Nicki Minaj. You have to smile in her face like say you're her best friend. Carry her outside. And you say when you carry her outside, shut her 2 bucks in her face. And them someone because don't you look like when Nicki Minaj I say right now.
You a stupid how? You a stupid how? You a stupid how? You a stupid how?
You know, you have to make one of the hit them connect to her man. And Nicki, if you are about that life, you can't make your friend play stunt double for you. You can't make Ra Ali jump in the battle. If you say you're a bad queen and all them something you come from Trinidad, you have to square up with her. Tell her say yo, we can't fight. Something spice up like a thing, me have social media count down for do. But tell her something man. They put out this information after the whole fight and drama went down to share fear side of the whole entire scenario. I ain't let a lot of shit slide. I let you sneak this me. I let you lie on me. I let you attempt to stop my bags. Up the way I eat. You threatened other artists in the industry, told them that if they work with me, you'll stop with them. I let you talk shit about me. I addressed you once in person. I addressed you in a second time in person, and every time you cop the plea. But when you mention my child, You chose to like comments about me as a mother, make comments about my abilities to take care of my daughter, is when all bets are off. I work hard and come too far to let anybody my success. Bitches talk about all that shit they rap in life, but in real life they put. This shit really is for entertainment. Exclamation sign, exclamation sign.
Why you always try to run and hide? Always have my name up in your mouth, you out of line. You gon' make me pop up back to.
I was showing off her outfit after the show and put out this video on our Instagram page looking totally unbothered. Oh, cause you know, if Nicki did actually say something about your opinion, I kinda understand how you might be vexed, but why? Not in your long dress and your long gown, Cardi B. Jesus Christ. Because no, you just hand the win to Nicki Minaj in terms of looking like classy. So even though she might have done something, on paper, Nicki will come off as the winner because she just seem unbothered. But right about now, the most important thing I mean, want to find out is that what Spice have to say. Spice, and if you take one side, because I say you're going to friend up with Cardi B at BET Awards. And then now, you know, we know about you and Nicki Minaj, so you really are trying to make sure, say, secure this, the collab there with Nicki Minaj. So, I want you to really comment, are you Team Cardi? Are you Team Nicki Minaj for the 1 year Spice? Spice, comment, intervene. You have to show your loyalty to Nicki right about now. So just in case Ra Ali jump out at the group, you can stomp in and be like, Nicki Minaj stunt double and bodyguard too. But let me know, people, what do you think about this whole entire beef with Nicki Minaj and Cardi B? Do you think Cardi B was right for me popping, you know, bringing fight at the people them good with our show? Do you think Nicki Minaj is low-key, kind of sneaky and will be doing something to kind of bring out the little monster out of Cardi B? What do you have to say? Comment below.
A girl have beef with me, she gonna have beef with me forever.